Wake up! Welcome to Trivia Night, an endless onslaught of devious torment. Or at least that's how Parade magazine described it. I'm going to ask you a bunch of trivia questions. If you get a question wrong, you have to fight for your life in one of my super fun mini-games. If you do badly in the mini-game, I'll kill you. But if you somehow survive through 7 questions, you go to the final round and a chance to escape. And you can always be in the audience, it's just as deadly. What else? Oh, I feel like I'm forgetting key information that would help you stay alive. Oh well, let's just start. Okay, first question. Which country produces Kobe beef? Use your device to answer the question. And the correct answer is... very good! How about this? I have to write a really angry note about the refrigerator to post in the break room at work. What's the largest size standard font option in Microsoft Word? Who said this? Lame. Alright, next question. Just to make sure I cut out the right part, which lobe of the brain is located in the back? And the correct answer is... this one? Wrong answers must be punished. Welcome to the killing floor. Let's play the finger-cutting game. I think you'll get the point soon enough. I regret that joke the second I said it. Just choose one of your fingers to cut off. It's so easy. Just don't squirm. Make with the cutting already. Ah! See, that wasn't so bad, was it? I mean, you have to live with the consequences, but still. Is this a weird time to mention I'm allergic to wool? Well, it's true. I just wanted to get that out there. And I feel braver for telling you. Next question. Which of the following movies does not involve transporting an elephant? Who picked this? Too easy. Let's try another one. What's the third installment in the Bourne film series? Who picked this one? Sorry, but wrong answers must be punished. Well, howdy there! Welcome back to the killing floor! Oh boy, everybody loves math. Answer as many math questions as you can before time runs out. If you can't get at least 15 right, you die. Let's kick some math. Wow, this is just like watching A Beautiful Mind. Keep your focus. Don't let my voice distract you. We're almost out of time. Brace yourself. You're like the salmon swimming upstream, and just before you got to the spawning pool, a bear snatched you up. Sorry, I've been watching a lot of nature docs lately.
Terrible tragedy. I'd keep a wide berth of that old dentist's office if I were you. Rumor has it some awful things happened there. Some kind of comedy game show. Not my type of humor. Somebody died. Looks like heaven just got some bad trivia night partners. Tragic. And now if you'll excuse me, I'm late for my old-timey accent lessons.
Hi! The party's downstairs. Come on in.